right, so hope you guys liked it. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. For the most part, if you're new to the channel, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see videos like this. You're gonna see me doing a couple of other things with the H2. I'm probably the only guy on YouTube that has a channel named it after a car and doesn't show it at all, but something else is coming. So see you on the next video.